Be explaining exactly how I managed to catch a 7.58 risk reward on GBP USD last night. So let's have a look. All day during Asia and London session, we had bullish price action. If you see, we had a massive push up bullish throughout the day. And I knew that price wanted to continue up to at least this high up over here because it was a clear target. Now, as you can see here, we had a reaction, a bearish reaction, which I just saw as a bit of a reversal to take some orders out before we continued up higher. Why was I still looking for long? So we didn't react off anything valid. If we had swept this high and then melted, then I would consider shorts to these lows. But since we didn't take the highs, I just consider this a pullback into the range over here to take some more orders. Jumping on a 3-minute time frame, I looked at price and I said to myself, where is the most recent break of structure? Now, let me take these off and let me show you something. We have a break of structure like this across all of this, making this the protected low. But we've also got this break of structure over here, making this the protected low. Now, why did I take this one? It's simple. It's all about reaction. Have a look. When price tapped into this zone over here, you can see a clear bullish rejection candle right up over here. Jumping lower on the 1-minute time frame, I saw price sweep. Then we had a massive engulfing candle on the 1-minute. What did I do here? I entered a buy position right over here after the rejection candle with a 4-pip stop loss at the low. Now, knowing this, if price was to come hit my stop loss, then we're most likely coming to fill this one. But I reacted to price and I entered after the rejection candle. Once price got up to these highs here, this is where I went risk-free break even. Now, don't get me wrong, I did want to target this 1-hour high over here, but this was a significant move in the market. So I didn't want to risk an extra 2R just to target this high over here when I can just skew out 7R and call it a day. Dragging price up. If you go on the 15-minute like this, I pretty much targeted just after the body. So you can see the body close over here. Just after it, once price gave it a little bit, it pushed up a bit more just up before I was about to close. So I just gave it that little bit more of a push. And as you can see, after this big push up here, I closed out the position for 7.37R. Now, the best way to find trades is your higher time frame. So I knew based on my higher time frame that we had a clear 1-hour target up here and overall bullish. Once the lower time frame aligned and we got our correction over here, that's when I entered a buy position. As I said, this was the most recent 3-minute break of structure. So I was more than happy to take a buy position off here because if this trade failed, then I knew that we're going to head bearish. And that's exactly how I secured 7.73R. If you have any